Welcome back. Our CIS Education. Now we will discuss about CPI score. The CPI score is the relevant of the course performance info. So the course performance info is based on the credit basis. For the three bases are there in the credit scores: course, performance and proficiency. So the modules are there in course abilities. Number 1 is a mark ability. Number 2, syllabus knowing. Number 3, knowledge access. Number 4, why you choose. And the second module, a performance. Performance is a discipline, accessibility and attendance are there. Then third module is a have proficiency. So proficiency is based on the interactions and class activities and discuss panel with co-learners and trainers. So this is a proficiency module. Thank you for watching. Continue to the next video. Until then, bye.